To reset Nintendo Switch 2, first of all, just go into the system settings. Over here, you have to scroll all the way down into the system settings. And when you are here, scroll all the way down for option called Data Clear Options. Open it, then go into the Restore Factory Settings, click on it, and now there's short information what it does. So it's gonna remove everything, just everything. And also, remember that it's gonna remove everything from your micro SD card. So if you want to keep data on your micro SD card, before the reset, remove your card from your device. And basically, there's also option for the recovery mode, by the way, if you got some other issues with performing the reset. And if you want to reset, just click here. And now the system will attempt to connect to the internet to unlink any linked Nintendo accounts. So to perform the reset, you have to also be connected into the network. And yeah, that's basically it. You can just follow on-screen instructions.